The S40 Smart Thermostat can be controlled through Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands as well as the Lennox Smart Thermostat app. The control monitors the outside air quality reports for your location and operates the system fan as necessary to maintain good indoor air quality. It also measures the home's humidity level and adjusts system operation to provide superior comfort. With its communicating ability, the thermostat can talk to the other parts of a Lennox brand HVAC system to maximize efficiency, and it also allows your local dealer to access your system for diagnostic purposes and to make performance adjustments. The L40 model is basically the same except for the fact that it does not work with their communicating HVAC equipment and the guarantee is not as good. The brand is only sold and installed by authorized dealers and the guarantee on their products is only average. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.